Hello, my name is Nikki and I would like to explore the functionality of the Wikipedia project. This is the homepage of the Wikipedia. Listed all the entries present in the current directory on the right hand side, and on the left hand side all the navigation link present. When you click on the particular link, it will navigate to the respective page of that particular title. You can also use the address bar to go to a specific page. If the page does not exist, it shows the page not found. You can also find the entries of the specific page. Also with the substrings as well. If you write py in the search result, entries which contains py will come and display on the right side bar, which is Python. When you write h, the entries which contains h will listed here, which is HTML and Python. You can also create a new page. Let's create services. When you save, it will navigate to the home page with the newly created web services page. When you click on the web services, it will display and navigate to the particular page with the description below. You can also edit this page by adding some other description as well. When you save this page, it will display on the particular page. For random page functionality, when you try to click on random page, it will navigate to random page of all the entries. Likewise, in the home page, all the entries are clickable. You can navigate to the particular entry by just clicking on that title, and it will navigate to that particular title. Thank you for watching.